Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make Laziza Kheer recipe. So without any further delay, let's get straight towards the video. And let's know how to make this dessert. First of all, I'm going to add milk about 2 liters in a pan, and after that I'm going to boil it. You need to add fresh milk, do not take powdered milk. Now after that I'm going to add green cardamom about 2, and I'm going to bring it to boil. And while it starts boiling, I am going to mix with the help of a spoon so that the cardamom aroma is absorbed by the milk. And with that, I'm gonna add a few more ingredients. Once the milk is boiled, you have to boil it on high flame. Turn the flame on high and let it boil. As you can see, it has started to get boiled. Now we are going to mix again with the help of a spoon so that the milk doesn't get out of the pan. As you can see, the milk is boiled. Now we are going to move towards the next ingredient. We are going to mix so that the milk doesn't get out of the pan. And now I am going to add rice flour about 2 tablespoons. With the help of a whisk, I am going to mix this rice flour into the milk quite well. And you have to keep mixing unless all the ingredients are mixed well and there is a creamy mixture of it. While I'm mixing, why don't you just go and hit the subscribe button. Once you're gonna hit the subscribe button, you will see a bell icon, hit it, and you will be updated by my latest videos on the first go. As you can see, the rice flour is mixed well. Now I'm going to add Laziza, about 1 packet of it, into the milk. And with the help of a whisk, you have to mix it gradually while adding the Laziza mixture into the milk. And after that, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar. You can add sugar according to your taste, it's really up to you. We're going to stop whisking it, and now we will take a spoon and mix it with the help of a spoon in a slow motion. You don't have to do it quite fast now. And as you can see, it's completely done. We're going to add some of the nuts as per your requirement. You can add it and again mix it with the help of a spoon. Now kheer is completely ready to be served. You can serve it as it is, like a warm texture, or if you want to cool it, you can just refrigerate it and wait for it to get cool and serve it. In winters, we prefer to eat warm or hot sweet dish or desserts, so you can eat it as it is. We have to mix it gradually so that the mixture does not stick to the pan, and we have to wait for 5 to 10 minutes or maybe more. Once the mixture has turned to be thick or its texture is quite thick, then we're going to take it out of the pan. As you can see, I'm being very careful while mixing it so that it does not stick to the surface of the pan. And after a few minutes, you'll see the texture of this kheer has turned out to be thickened. Now we're going to take it out into a presentable dish. Hope you really like this video. Give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and your family so that they can get access to my videos as well. If you have any query related to any video, just comment in the comment section and I would be rather happy to answer you on the first go. Remember to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Till then, goodbye, see you in the next video, and thanks for watching.